Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Coding Tamla. I am your Sundar. So in the last video we have seen about list. So in this video we are going to see what is tuple and sets. Okay, let's go into the video. In list we have declared them by using box bracket. But in tuple we are going to do it by normal brackets. I am going to give a tuple name called tup equals normal bracket. So this is the syntax for tuple. So but in tuple we cannot add or change values. I am going to give a tuple values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if I print this, if I print tup I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But in tuple we cannot change values. So list is mutable, tuple is immutable. What is mutable means we can change values. Tuple but we cannot change values. So once you have given in a tuple, you cannot change your values. See, if I give tup dot, I got only count and index. So we cannot add or remove or pop command is shown. So we can just count the values given in that list. So if I'm going to create a tuple called k equals 2, 3, 5, 5, 6. Now I want to count the value number of times the 5 present in that tuple means I can use count command. K dot count number of times, how many times 5 is present in that tuple. We can find number of times 5 present in tuple is 2 times. 2 times 5 is present in that tuple. Now we can find the index values also. K dot index of, so if I want to find the index value of 3 means I can give 3, I got 1. See that the value of 3 is in the first index. So I got 1. So like in list we can use index values also in tuple. So I'm going to give the index value of 2. So we got 5. So index value of 2 is 5. We can give range of values also 2, 4. We got 5 and 5. Okay, now let's see what are sets. So how to declare set is by giving flower brackets. So if I give numbers in set means what is printing, let's see, s equals 1, 55, 66, 82 and 15. Let's see how it's going to print. So we got 1, 66, 82, 55 and 15. The order was changed. 82 came into the index of 1. So if you print a set, the order cannot be same. The sequence of order cannot be same. So it will change the order. Not in ascending order or descending order, it will change it randomly. So in sets, we cannot use indexing because there is no definite order. So there is no definite order for sets, so we cannot use indexing in sets. Okay guys, this is for this video. I hope you have understood about list and tuple. So let's go for a recap. We have declared list by giving box brackets. For tuple we used normal brackets. In set we used curly brackets or flower bracket. In list we can change values, that is mutable. In tuple we cannot change values, that is immutable. So in list and tuple we can use indexing to find the index values, but in sets we cannot use index value. Okay guys, see you in the next video.